So not a bad day today. Yeah. So the anchor is in.
It's a very nice present. We took a trip to St. Francis Bay and climbed onto the 60-foot tack.
So not a bad day today. We get to take like a close to $2 million yacht to PE from St. Francis. Rotating mast, all synthetic rigging. They're trying to hook up a sail. We're just motoring since the delivery. We'll just motor most of the way. This is the El Capitano crew. Everyone working. Give you a quick walk around.
We helped Andrew deliver her from St. Francis to Port Elizabeth.
Some dive gear. We had to check the props this morning. Check out some of the rigging that's sitting inside here. That's insane. Beautiful layout. Amazing. Gotta love life when you got electric winches, baby. Woo!
So I've been taking a nap while we've been sailing, and I know it sounds bad, but the boats really make me fall asleep. And I think it's because I'm like at full relaxation mode. I sleep like so well on a boat. It's just after all the boat building, I think my body's knackered.
Take the dolphinos. Come swim with us, dolphinos! Woo! Oh yes, please!
Oh, that's so cool!
Yeah! What a way to end off the day. Coming into the bay, doing 10, 11 knots SOG. And check out the sails, man. Got to trim a bit, but we're going to turn now. So we're motoring now. We're up to 16 knots. Check here. That's out of the water already. That side's digging in. And this side we're starting to slowing down there a little bit. We are flying. Check it out, lean. That's awesome. Let's see what we're doing, speed over ground.
Our trip had come to an end, and it was time to install our anchor and our anchor windlass.
Taking me home. One thing really do want.
a whole bloody day. Now this, you'll hook up onto the chain. Obviously it's going to take a thimble and a hook onto there, and then we'll hook onto the chain, and that will be probably made it a little bit longer than what I like, but I like it having a nice long throat so that it won't swivel around too much. But that's pretty much our bridle.
Don't forget to hit subscribe below if you'd like to follow us on the rest of our adventure.
See how it goes off to the side there.
Yeah, you want to get that one that goes like this, like a V.
Yeah. I needed to upsize this D-shackle because of the size of this bloody shank on that. And there. And then we gotta use, I'll get some locking wire, some stainless steel locking wire to lock these up nicely. And then from here onto the chain, we'll put this one. Another thing I want to change is these rollers.
So both of them or just those?
We're going to change both of these where these two are running to guided rollers.
And the other side?
The other side's fine. That's how for our spare, if we do run the spare anchor, we'll run it through that setup. So we had these standard rollers on the front, which is just, I don't even know what material this is. But they're rollers. You usually find them on boat trailers for the boat to ride on or whatever. And so we took them and we cut them to size. Well, actually this came with Marcus when he built the anchor roller. But then this one, the chain wasn't guiding nicely, so I got one of these, trimmed off those edges, and I made it fit in there, and the chain's running beautifully now. Hooked up the anchor to it, and this is a 45-pound anchor, CQR. We'll probably change it at a later stage, but for now there won't be much anchoring in South Africa when we go out of here. So as we maybe get to Cape Town, if funds allow, we'll get another anchor, maybe something with a better holding pattern. And we've got the bridle, so that's also something else we've been working on. So there's our bridle. It is a long bridle. That's the bridle we built. I think there's maybe $25 worth of material in here, and that includes all the stainless steel thimbles. We put a bit of Dyneema in there to do the rack seizing up top here, and then we just did normal seizing at the bottom there, and we put 2 bow U-bolts in there. Splice that in with a standard D-shackle, and then I'll just wire secure these D-shackles on.
We keep putting this cool stainless steel plates, so what it does is protect our deck from getting scratched by our anchor.
So we've got our shackle over there, or our thimble. Just putting a standard D-shackle on, nice stainless steel one. Obviously we need to we need to wire secure it, and what that means is we pretty much just put a wire through the eye there, and then you take it around the D-shackle there, and what it allows is that this doesn't come loose. Another option is you can Loctite it, but use it out of the water because Loctite's not safe for underwater applications. It's kind of bad for the fishies.
Who taught you that?
My wife taught me that one.
Yeah.
You see, I would have stuck Loctite on it one time. So that's the principle of it. At a later stage we are going to change this to a proper chain hook, because that's the right thing to use. These things, they're pretty strong. They can load it. I think the loading manual on this said about 1,000 kilos. But I trust 2,000 kilos? Probably not. So the anchor is in, and you test it to check if it's set. Once it's set, hook up the bridle to the chain. Let the chain out. And now the bridle takes the load on the chain, and the extra is just to weight it down. So this will all be underwater, pretty much. And this line that we used is got about 40%, I think it's 40% stretch in it, which is fantastic as a bridle. So it's going to take all that shock absorption up on it, and yeah, super stoked. Take it off. Take it off, baby. Take it off. Heck yeah. Heck yeah.
Anchor's done.
So what we got going on tonight is this over here. I don't know if you guys remember when I installed this. If you haven't checked that episode out, one of the earlier ones used to have an ugly thing, and this is the reason why I installed this box here. So you see you've got a hole over there and a hole over there, and one of them, so that bracket is going to mount in there, and it's going to take this VHF. So that's the purpose of having these ones, so that you can have an outside setup. So and with this I can turn the inside one off and operate purely on this. That'll go inside there. When it's not in use, we can close up the box, leave it in there, and that's going to get a lock in there. I'm sure someone can break that. If you want to get in, you're going to get in, no matter what I do. And so that is the purpose of having that, and that's why we installed the VHF inside. It's because we were going to get one of these, and that's what it looks like now it's installed. And our little aux port over there. So just drill that little hole, and now we're going to stick this little grommet lock in there, just to keep that closed. Check how excited I am, man. I'm like a kid that just got a present.
What is a present? It's a very nice present.
Oh, shit, that's nice. Freaking heck. Feel the quality on that. It's like hardcore material. That's like complete. It comes with a pump and everything. That's so freaking nice.
So tell everyone what it is.
So when me and Simone started talking about what toys we're gonna get, one of the things was a paddleboard, and they were just completely out of our budget. We were not even gonna get one. And a big thank you to Vetus head office for this amazing toy, and we're gonna freaking use the heck out of it. One thing you can always be guaranteed with Vetus stuff is the qualities of their product, and that's one thing we've seen before. You pay for what you get. Freaking premium quality stuff. So if you are thinking of getting one, it comes with a big ass SUP board or stand-up paddleboard, the fin, big pump for it, really big pump. It's so it's a 2000 cubic centimeter pump, nice oar, 3-piece oar, so really easy and adjustable, so you can adjust the length of the oar. That's very nice. A repair kit that comes in it, leash, and a freaking awesome carry bag. How nice is that? I'm so flippin' stoked. We totally gotta go test this thing.
It's too cold in this water, gee.
It's cold, but I'll still go test it. So what do we got?
So we're gonna test out our paddleboard that Vetus gave us. And while Ricky's gonna test it, I'm gonna work for cold water.
How's it going? Yeah, beautiful.
we're definitely going to use this board a lot more. Getting used to it. This is the first time we get a paddle board, or any kind of board for that matter. It's been good fun. Oh man, just being out here, that's so amazing. My paddleboarding skills are terrible. Definitely figured that one out. But just being out here is freaking amazing. Let me give you guys a view of what it looks like. Let's look at that. So awesome. Dangling for the calling the sharks, and it's relaxing. Simone should be somewhere on that pier. I just don't know exactly where. Oh, there she is. She's the one with the white t-shirt. Let's go paddle past her. See if we can catch some surf in. Oh shit, we're gonna take a swim. Thanks so much, Vetus, for letting us explore the ocean. Freaking awesome.
Stay tuned till next week where we get started on our rigging and do final mast prep. Don't forget to subscribe below, give us a thumbs up, and if you'd like to support our production, you can do so by clicking on any of the links down below. Thanks to Aubrey and Maria Martin and Leif Magnus in Veer for your generous donation towards Lady Africa.